Union Minister for DoNER Jyotiraditya M Scindia on Tuesday launched the Rs 175.45 crore Meghalaya Lakadong Turmeric Integrated Development Mission, also known as Mission Golden Spice, in the presence of Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K, Sangma, Agriculture Minister Timothy D. Shira and other dignitaries at the Sanchar Bhavan in New Delhi. The program was simultaneously attended virtually in Shillong. Jointly funded by the Ministry of DoNER NEC, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and the Government of Meghalaya, the 5-year mission aims to establish Meghalaya as a global hub for premium, organic and GI certified Lakadong turmeric through value addition, processing, branding and exports. Addressing the gathering, Scindia said the initiative reflects Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of making the Northeast a key driver of India's development. He said the mission would strengthen the turmeric value chain, empower women farmers, enhance processing capacity, increase farmers' income and expand exports to international markets. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K said Lakadong turmeric's unique high curcumin content found only in the Jaintia Hills makes it an ideal product for global branding. He said the mission would provide a major boost to farmers, particularly women, while building on the state's efforts in value addition, financial support and market access. The mission will be implemented from 2026 to 2030 across West and East Jaintia Hills with an investment of Rs 175.45 crore. It aims to benefit over 17,500 people, target production of 49,400 metric tons by 2030, and position Lakadong turmeric as a globally competitive export product. The program also featured an interaction with Padma Shri awardee Trinity Sayo and progressive farmer Janika Siangshai, along with the screening of a short film on the mission.
That in the past there have been efforts to take the saplings of the turmeric, Lakadong turmeric, and grow it in different parts of the region, different parts of the Northeast, in order to expand the area. And to our surprise, whether it's within Meghalaya or outside in different parts of the Northeast, the curcumin content actually fell once it was taken out of the Luskin area and West Jaintia Hills, East Jaintia Hills area. We could not replicate in other states the curcumin value. It just reflects that there is something unique about the soil, about the ecosystem, the environment there, that just ensures that the Lakadong turmeric truly is a golden spice that is of the highest quality, which comes out from Meghalaya, specifically from West Jaintia Hills and East Jaintia Hills. And I think this mission could not have been at a more correct time for us, because now it will simply take the entire growth and exponentially push everything that has been put into place. And therefore we really thank you at this point in time. We thank our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for his vision and his dedication and specific attention to the Northeast. We also thank the Agriculture Ministry and all the different stakeholders who will be supporting us in this particular program. And of course, sir, we thank you and the DoNER Ministry for this particular project. We have ensured that value addition has been something that we have tried to do. So we are just simply not trying to do new things, but we're just simply making things better by providing the technology, the financial support. And I was just telling our Joint Secretary that in this entire system, we have also gone down to the micro detailing of aspects of ensuring that working capital is available to the organizations. These funds are then readily available through a financial institution set up by the state, so that the farmers don't have to worry about the banking norms and collaterals and so on and so forth. So all of these kind of systems have been fine-tuned. And today, as I said, we are in a position that we will be able to take this forward. And as I said, the purpose being that this model should then be replicated for other products throughout the state and throughout the region of the Northeast.
It really is a golden day today for us as we launch Mission Golden Spice. And this is all in the backdrop of the Prime Minister's vision for our Ashtalakshmi. Our 8 states of the Northeast that have been oft ignored in India's developmental paradigm. And the systemic and seismic change that the Prime Minister has brought about in the last 12 years, where our Ashtalakshmi, our northeastern states, are no longer the periphery of the developmental paradigm, but have now become the center of India's developmental paradigm, of which Conrad G was a very, very important mover. We came up with this idea of defining a unique selling proposition for each state. And today it gives me great pleasure where we are launching not only Mission Golden Spice, but a transformational program for thousands of people across Meghalaya who will take this golden spice not only to national shores but to international shores. The concept that the Prime Minister has talked about, that in India the paradigm is no longer should be about women's development. The paradigm today should be in India about women-led development. And my women growers and farmers and SHGs and farmer producer organizations in Meghalaya are that rising force of women-led development. It is not us leading this initiative alone, but it is a whole of government approach. And the approach is twofold. One, to ensure value chain development through increase of processing capability, refrigeration, so that the distress sale which happens today is obviated. So that the remuneration which goes into the hands of farmers between 30 to 40 rupees a kilo through value chain development and strategic enterprise at least doubles by 2030, which is the two-phase idea of this program, to almost 80 rupees a kilo. So that the area under development almost triples from 2,500 hectares to almost 7,500 hectares. So that the value of this product not only stays on India's shores, but grows across the 7 seas to new markets in the United States, in the European Union, in Japan and the Gulf. We want the world to know, we want the world to recognize that the pioneer and the capital of Lakadong Turmeric is our state of Meghalaya. While the Prime Minister has sent a very, very strong signal by presenting Meghalaya's Lakadong Turmeric in the G7, there couldn't be a stronger signal than that. And he mentioned to us in Cabinet that the Lakadong Turmeric prepared by the women in Meghalaya was highly in demand in the G7 conference. So I'd like to congratulate all my women farmers whose perseverance and hard effort has raised India's capability on the world stage.